Good morning, good people. This is P9 with another video, and I am here in the city of Keystone, West Virginia. Keystone is a city located in McDowell County with a population of 176 residents. Now, what's interesting about Keystone is that it is one of the few municipalities in West Virginia with an African American majority population, with 65% of the residents being black. So that's the thing about Keystone. So I'm walking through the main drag of the city. On Main Street. And check out those houses that sit up there on that hill. They even have a church right there that sits on the hill as well. They have a quick stop gas station right over here. Now, back in the day, there was a local newspaper editor by the name of Matthew Thomas Whitaker, who termed the phrase "Free State of McDowell." So this is the early 20th century. So Mr. Whitaker was a local newspaper editor and community leader right here in Keystone. Now, what was cool about Keystone back in the late 1800s and early 1900s is that it had a combination of political, social, and economic characteristics that made it an interesting place for blacks to migrate during the late 19th to early 20th century. In 1892, many years after the Civil War, decades after the Civil War, as a matter of fact, is when Keystone was founded. And it was founded by the Keystone Coal and Coke Company, and then incorporated in 1909 by the Circuit Court of McDowell County. So really interesting landscape right here. Don't really see too many people outside right now, but that's what happens when it's a small town. And you could tell it was one of those coal mining towns too, because for one, you have the mountains right there, and you have the housing, which looks like the housing over coming up here pretty soon. A lot of old abandoned buildings right over here. I believe this entire building is unoccupied. Now, another historical key point that I want to bring up about Keystone is that there was a massive event that took place here when it came to the union of miners, coal miners. A lot of coal miners were black that assembled 15,000 union miners. They armed themselves right here in Keystone, and they plan to march across the state line of Virginia to force the Virginia miners into one bordering mine to unionize. So their plans, their intentions were to meet up with another black union in the state, across the state line in Virginia. They have some apartments right there. That's interesting. But that right over there looks like an old coal mine. You can see right there. It's good to come to these towns and see the old factories, warehouses. In this particular case, coal mine. Check that out. Let's catch this train coming by. Norfolk Southern. And this right here is Elkhorn Creek. So this water you see is Elkhorn Creek. And you have the railroad tracks that run adjacent to it. This is a nice design right here on this water pump right here. It's nothing like a Norfolk Southern freight train running through a coal mine in town. Not sure what this building is, but it looks like it was built in 1913. Contractors Heldreth Brothers, Tazewell, Virginia. Building Committee, C.C. Hale, H.P. Graham, I.L. Shore, Saul Hyman. Okay. Yeah. These tires rolled out on the road. Now check out that old school Oldsmobile legacy. Oldsmobile legacy right there. Man, oh man, talk about perfect timing. I'm glad that Norfolk Southern train rolled through during the recording of this vlog. Which brings us to this building right here, this old historical building. This was once the Zion Temple of Heavenly Sunlight Church, and the pastor at the time was Bishop Almeida Price. So of course this building is abandoned. Yeah, lots of history right here in Keystone, West Virginia. A classical, historically black coal mining town right here in the southern portion of the state in McDowell County. That in mind, good people, that will conclude the vlog right here in Keystone, West Virginia. Make sure you hit the like button if you like the video. Also, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button along with the notification bell. That way you get notified each and every time I drop a new vlog. Also, when you hit the notification bell, make sure you hit all. And if you want to donate to the channel, if you're feeling a little generous, make sure you go check out the links to my PayPal or the Buy Me a Coffee. Both links are in the description box along with the bio. Any donations, big or small, will greatly be appreciated and will go towards the content creation for this channel. And with that in mind, good people, see you on the next video. Peace.